This is a Corbin mortise cylinder that I got off of eBay. Um, so if I pick it clockwise, it feels like it has tapered pins in it, and if I pick it counterclockwise, it feels like it has spools in it. So if I can get this open in a decent amount of time, I'll try to do both. But going clockwise, I'm gonna use my 30 thousandths covert instruments and my Peterson standard in 25. 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's 6, maybe 5. I might just overset by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Click out of 4. Click out of 5. 4, drop back down. Click out of 1. Click out of 2, and I hit a little falset. And alright. Let's go back to 1. And then 2, and it's open. Okay. So now I'm going to try to go counterclockwise just to show the difference a little bit. So this way it binds from 1 instead of 6. And I got a little movement on 1. 1 must have dropped back down. 1. 1. 2. Nothing on 3. 4. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 1, and then I'm on a full set. 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I'm back into the false set, so now I just got to hit number 3. There we go, and number 3 opens it. That's the Corbin mortise cylinder.